Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create an OnlyFans account. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. If you are on your desktop, or else you can also go with the OnlyFans app and follow the same procedure. Here I am on my desktop, and then open any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I am going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in www.onlyfans.com. Once you press enter, you will land on this official page of OnlyFans. Since we don't have account yet and we are creating new one, on this interface you will see a link that says sign up for OnlyFans. Click on there, and then you will get a form that says create your account. Here type in your name and then type in your email as well, and then go ahead and create a password. And make sure that your password contains at least one number, one lowercase letter and one uppercase letter. Once you're done with that, click on sign up, and then you will be directly logged into your OnlyFans account. But before using the OnlyFans, make sure to verify your email. Now on the next tab, open your Gmail and look for the email from OnlyFans in order to verify your account. On your Gmail, you will get an email like this on your inbox. So click on the link provided to you. Once you click on that link, you will be verified and will be directly logged into the OnlyFans account. So that is how you can simply sign up for OnlyFans account. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.